Hey guys, I'm Jason, Product Manager for e-conolight. Today we're going to talk about some of our most popular products. If you look up the word seamless in the dictionary, you'll find a picture of our APE series LED area light. That's because it's got a sleek and low-profile design that blends right into your application. Thanks to its die-cast hinge pane, it's also incredibly easy to install. It's a highly durable fixture designed with the die-cast aluminum and coated with a UV-stabilized powder that protects it against cracks or damage caused by UV rays. The APE series is available in 9,000 to 30,000 lumens, making it a highly efficient product with up to 140 lumens per watt. It's also got 3 different optics, Type 3, Type 4, and Type 5, plus a 3-pin photocell receptacle with shorting cap included. And if you're looking for high color rendering, you've got it. The APE series comes with a 80 plus CRI. It's UL listed in DLC Premium, which means it's one of the best quality fixtures your money can buy. The APE series lasts up to 100,000 hours of maintenance-free operation in auto dealerships, parking lots, or anywhere else you need reliable area lighting. And since it's passed e-conolight's rigorous validation testing program, it even comes with a 5-year warranty. If you need it in 3000K, 4000K, or even in 5000K, we've got it. We also equipped the series with an enhanced 10 kV surge suppression to protect against any electrical surprises. It's dimmable for the ultimate in energy savings and wet listed to brave the elements. So go ahead and order yours today.